Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Alysa.
And we're the Cookie Queens.
And today we are taking over the Tasty Kitchen to invent a brand new cookie flavor from scratch. But Cookie Queens, you're the ones who are in charge of making this flavor. So are you ready to invent a cookie?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
I'm ready.
Okay, first question. What 3 flavors absolutely have to be in your dream cookie?
Shortbread, definitely, like a vanilla shortbread. Second, probably strawberry jam. And third, the best of all, cream.
Well, I'm going to try to recreate ours cookie. A shortbread thumbprint cookie with sugar-free strawberry jam and maybe a little bit of vanilla drizzle.
I really want to do a caramel and pecan and chocolate one, like a turtle.
And if you had a magical ingredient, what would it be?
Magical brown sugar, because brown sugar makes everything better. So as long as there's magical brown sugar in the cookie and a little on the side for me to eat, then we're good.
I honestly don't think I would probably have to add a magic ingredient.
Cream, because everybody loves that creamy texture, like an Oreo.
Like a strawberry milkshake almost.
Oh, yeah.
When would your cookie be the perfect treat?
Probably in spring. Yeah, it gives like a nice flowery strawberry type.
In summer, you would want like a nice treat, but in winter, you can dip it in hot cocoa. So I think it would be like a perfect treat any place, anywhere.
I always associate caramel with fall, so I think mine would be a fall cookie.
If you could name your cookie anything in the world, what would you name it?
Maybe the friendship circle, because it's round, and also because of there's a special tradition in Girl Scouts where you cross your right arm over your left at the end of the meeting, and you sing the song "Make New Friends," and they call that a friendship circle.
Put the cookie in the middle.
Yeah.
Be like friendship circle.
And what fun slogan would go on your cookie box?
Very delicious, but slightly nutritious.
That's so cute. We'll always start with a friendship circle, so let's always be friends.
True friendship is sharing the last cookie.
Wow.
What Girl Scouts value does your cookie represent the most?
Ooh, so friendship is a really huge one, and also loving one another and treating a Girl Scout like a sister.
Yeah. Oh, Niki, you just stole my answer.
Sorry.
It's fine.
So while the Tasty team, while they're baking up our cookies, I heard you had some questions for us.
Yes, we do. What is your favorite Girl Scout cookie?
On the classics, I'm a Thin Mint gal. And also when I was filming with you for weeks and weeks and weeks, I got to taste so many cookies, and I've become a real fan of the lemonades.
But I like shortbread, so I really like the trefoils too. And I like to dip them in jam.
Oh, wow, that's new. I've never heard someone do that.
Yeah, or sandwich them together with jam in between.
So Megan, what is something you were told as a child that still guides you today?
My teacher, Miss Pulia, said, keep a good heart. I just think it's one of those simple things that you can always remember no matter what situation you're in. Just keep a good heart.
What do you think young girls teach adults that adults sometimes forget?
One thing that I've learned from you all is to ask questions, like difficult questions, and to want the world to be better, like not to give up on that.
And also that you don't just want it to be better, that you're putting the do's behind the says. You're actually doing things to make it better, and you're coming together as a team to make it better. That part is so inspiring. It's amazing. Our Cookie Queens gave Tasty quite the challenge. They wanted a lot of strawberries, warm cinnamon spice, buttery shortbread, and of course a little bit of chocolate. So our Tasty chefs combined freeze-dried strawberries with swirls of strawberry jam for a bright, fruity flavor. Then they added crushed ginger cookies to bring in those cozy cinnamon and ginger notes, and finally topped each cookie with a drizzle of white chocolate. The result is a brand new cookie inspired by the 3 of you. So Cookie Queens, are you ready to see what your cookie looks like?
Yes.
They smell good too.
Really good. Impressive. Okay, so now you have to go and sell them.
Oh, fun.
Can we taste them first?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Looks like the chefs did a really nice job on it.
Yeah, they do.
Whoa.
It's delicious.
Agreed.
I think you're gonna very easily sell these. So you have 3 minutes to sell these cookies to the team upstairs.
All right, what should our sales pitch be?
Great question. We have to brainstorm here.
So there's definitely strawberry and white chocolate. Those are like the big flavors I taste.
But it also has like that good jam.
Yeah, and
but
it's gooey.
Yeah, it's like the gooey jam. But I think we could probably change the name to Berrylicious, because
Berrylicious badges.
Okay, so you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Berrylicious badges!
Let's go.
So we all put our very best ideas towards a cookie together, and we got this.
called the Berrylicious badges.
These cookies are strawberry jam,
White chocolate
white
drizzle,
chocolate.
And they're very good.
They have
Yes,
some
they are
spices, cinnamon, yeah.
ginger.
And they are perfect for every season.
They're good anywhere for anything.
And
Yes.
we're hoping the customers will like them too.
They're only $1.50 each.
Yes.
And they are worth the
Your
price.
taste buds will be happy.
Who wants cookies?
Come get your Girl Scout cookies!
We should sing the song. Come buy some Girl Scout cookies. They're only $1.50. They're only $1.50. Come buy some Girl Scout cookies. They're only $1.50. They're only $1.50. Come get your Girl Scout cookies.
Get your cookies while you can.
Cookie! One last cookie left! Oh!
Thanks for watching, and don't miss Cookie Queens in theaters on August 7th.
Bye.